Happy Canada Day po sa ating mga Pinoy Canadians wherever they are worldwide. It's July 1st, our Canada Day, and masaya lang po kami that we became Canadians, and napakarami po at totoo pong napakadaming benefits ang isang Canadian citizen na hindi po natin nakikita na-experience at nararamdaman at nakukuha sa Philippines. So, we are on our lesson 4. Dito po, makikita nyo sa ating picture, ang atin po ngayong topic is that paano if ang gusto mo ay condominium. And alam mo naman ang condominium ngayon, pre-selling mas cheaper. Correct? So, ang situation po natin today is that makakapag-avail ba ako ng Pag-ibig housing loan if ang nabili ko ay condominium pre-selling pa lang? Okay. So, that is the situation. Questions po ay number 1, nag-down pay tayo, there is a borrower na gusto nakapag-down pay na, nag-down payment na po sa condominium. Let's say, napakamura lang po ang ilalagay natin, 1 million para madaling mag-compute. Ano po? So, 24 months, usually po, 2 months po ang down payment niyan na monthly po ay binibigay. So, let's say 30% ang down payment. So, out of the 1 million is 300,000. So, yung 300,000 na down payment pa lang po ay naibayad na natin. Nakatapos na po tayo ng 24 months. Ngayon, gusto mo nang ang mga condominiums po like SMDC, Ayala, Century, lahat po ng condominiums natin na private companies, of course, i-finance na po yung value, yung remaining na 700,000. So, yung remaining po na yun na i-finance, you have the option. Normally po, pinupush po talaga nila na ang kanilang bangko or ang kanilang private ay ang financing na 700,000 ay sa kanila mo kukunin or private financing. But then, syempre, gusto mo Pag-ibig kasi mas mura, much cheaper. Kung 1 million lang po yan, makukuha mo dyan or ang monthly mo lang po ay wala pang 10,000 peso. Depende syempre sa edad mo. Alright? Kasi syempre, if you're younger, na-staggered po yan for a maximum of 30 years. Alright. So that's the first question. Nakapag down payment ka na, natapos mo ng 2 years na monthly na required na down payment. So, yun nabigay mo na po ang 30% which is 300,000. Question. Pwede ko bang i-avail ang Pag-ibig housing loan for the 700,000? Remaining for the balance of 700,000 so that mas cheaper ang babayaran ko? That's the first question. If yes naman, paano po ang gagawin? Okay. So, the answers are the following. First, pag press selling pa lang po, hindi ho kayo qualify na mag-avail ng Pag-ibig housing loan. Kasi wala pa naman titulo yan. Pre-selling pa lang. So therefore, kung pre-selling pa lang, Ihangin pa lang po yun. Wala pong lupa. Kasi condominium eh. So, lalo na kapag nandun ka sa top floor, ay lalo kang walang lupa. So, hangin pa lang po ang nagagawa, ang nakukuha ninyo. Wala ho pa kayong titulo niyan. In other words, you can only avail of Pag-ibig housing loan once na yan po, ang condominium ay fully constructed na. Again, fully constructed na. Meron na po kayong condominium title. Okay. Na i-turn over na po sa inyo. Then, that is the time that you can avail of the Pag-ibig housing loan. Okay? So, the answer is no. Kapag pre-selling pa lang po. Alright. Next question. What if naibayad mo na lahat? I mean, nabayaran mo na lahat, fully constructed na. Ngayon, instead of the private financing, no, the private companies, the private corporations, the private owners of the condominium, you would like to transfer it into Pag-ibig. Pwede po ba yun? Kasi andyan na, fully constructed na, nabigyan ka na ng CCT or the condominium title, and then gusto mo nang ilipat ngayon sa Pag-ibig housing. So that, much cheaper. Pwede po ba yun? So, answer is, yes. This time, pwede na po. You can transfer it and avail of the Pag-ibig housing loan kahit na po condominium yan kasi po fully constructed na at na-turn over na sa inyo ang condominium title. Okay, so all the requirements and the steps to process is, if you need our help and you need an assistance, simply email us in ismail.concepts@yahoo.com. Okay po. Maraming salamat and happy Canada Day.